It's Labon boss from China.
Franco Wang.
Yeah, Franco one. Name Homestead.
Homestead brand.
Homestead brand. Yes.
Just a little noise.
Oh, okay. Wow. Very good. Very good.
Because the thickness of the border is too thick. Too thick.
It's different. Or similar.
This is just the shape is different. Just the shape is different. That is the resistance. This is for selling. This is for selling. Just like. The best height is about.
You can now test.
No, the selling. Just the highest we can reach the height is about 6 meters.
6 meters. This one?
This one just the same as this, but you can use like that. You can handle that. This is the gas torch. Gas.
Okay. You can now test.
Yes.
Show me.
Maybe. This is the battery.
It's heavy.
No, I'm not very good at this.
Careful.
Sorry.
Gas.
Yes. This is a skill I'm not good at. Easy. This is the pins.
Алло, салам алейкум. Может быть, на пайкере? Эксплодер. Okay.
Okay.
Mix.
Oh, mix, okay.
He's from China. Your name?
Nora.
Huh?
Nora.
Nora.
Nora. Yeah.
Okay. What's your company?
Mission Ceramics. A company which product ceramics, porcelains, and all of these dinnerware sets. And these products are the best sellers in Europe and America.
Oh.
Yeah. And this designer famous in Middle Asia and like this district. Yeah. It's all of these are handmade.
Handmade?
Yeah, of course, it's handmade. And this set is our Chinese traditional, it's called a China bone porcelain. Yeah, it's very difficult to produce.
It's one set.
No, these are one set, and these are
you see different design.
That's different. Yeah, the pattern is different.
How many sets here?
like
12.
20. No. It's about 24.
24.
Yeah, 24. It's big for a big family. Or yeah, like so.
Oh, it's very beautiful. In
Yeah,
ceramic,
beautiful.
very white.
Yes, of course. Yeah, it's white porcelain.
Mission ceramics.
Mission ceramics.
Yes. She's Nora from China.
Thank you.
Thank you.